Hey guys, it's Mipie, and today we are going to be playing The Escapists. Let's get started. Different one! Very easy. It's gonna be more game. Can be the blue one. Okay. Sammy. Arnold. Hammy. Debster. These are just random names, guys. Names. And Janet, Harry, baby, son, dude, Gerald, Milo. Okay, we got Officer Donut, Officer Harry Baby, Jolly Ranchers, Bob, Top, and YOLO. Let's start the game. G. I will go. Oh, look at me go. I want to kill him because he's my freaking hairdo. Dang it, fandom. No. Howdy, Arnold. Ooh. I don't really care now. This is the part. Hello, little officer. Eating time. Eating time. Why will I? I will get the first food tray. It's right here. Gonna talk to people. Talk to everyone. Now it's a free period where we go and check. Ooh. Oh, wait. Oh. No, put it down! And here, go, 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 go! Crappy note, dirt. And done. That's mine. So let's close call there. No. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna go put my stuff away. Oh yeah, I should probably use that. Battery, sock. Okay, battery and sock. Hello. Let's go build up our strength. Let's go talk to some people. Anyone want to talk to me? No? Okay. I'm just a lonely blue-haired Morgan. Oh, it's lunch. I'm faster than all of y'all. Oh, this is my spot. Got a thumbs up, everyone. Aaron.
Filming a video?
Yeah.
Doesn't have face cam, does it?
No. Yes. Let's see what he got now. Oh, oh. Oh. Ooh, I'm not gonna take it though, cause and I'm getting you probably don't want to do that. Go, 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 Morgan. Go. Do your job. Looks like there's freaking blood. Come on, come on. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Well, let me put it in. There we go. I don't know what to say right now because I'm just working the official job. Yeah. Here we go. Now we might put it in. Oh, I heard someone fighting. Noise. Oh, come on, come on.
Morgan, can you get off for a second?
Come on, I gotta do my job. Can I just like put these... Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. No. Whatever. Oh, go. 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 Now. Okay. Oh. Dang. Hand fan now. I don't know. Suckers. I'll just sit down. I don't need food. How dare you? Gotta get good rotation. Okay.
See after your shower.
Hey guys, it's Mipie, and today we're playing a stupid game.
Ooh. Ooh.
Did I just roast you? You should name this I got roasted, question mark, question mark, question mark. Wait, name this I got roasted in all caps with a question mark, then an exclamation point, then a question mark, then a question mark, then an exclamation point.
Okay.
You'll get all the views, I promise. Like this if you think Mipie's, or however you say it, sister should become a YouTuber.
Okay, so now I gotta go give Dexter this comb. Me. You're Arnold. Are you Dexter? No, you're Hammy. Gerald. Milo.
How did you come up with the name Mipie? Is it Mipie or My Pie?
Mipie. Wait, are you wait, who are you? Who's Dexter? Who the heck is he? Sammy? Hammy? Dexter.
Get him! Get him! Get him! How do you even play this?
Oh, I got my comb.
Wait, does he need a comb or something?
Bro!
We should flood the library? What is his problem? I need a bed sheet. Could you hook me up with one? No.
Okay, in here.
You want me to be in the bed sheet?
Oh my god, me. Heh.
Milo seems like a nice dude. Steal all his stuff.
Oh shoot.
Better call Paul!
Hey, I gotta give this dude. Okay, Dexter here.
Oh, he just.
Dexter!
Oh my god, what if his name was Dabster? Oh. Dab on him.
Located comb. I got one.
Are those the cops?
Okay, so this one is Officer Bob Chop, Officer YOLO.
Oh my god. Did you name these?
Yeah, Officer Donut. Hammy.
Did you name all the characters too?
Yeah.
Why Hammy? You craving some ham?
Okay, where's freaking Dexter?
I can be the mayo to your ham.
Okay, that's it for today, guys.
No, it's not.
I only have a couple more seconds. I can only record up to 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Well, we gotta go now because Morgan's only got 15 minutes. She's only got a few more seconds left, so. Bye, bitches.
Bye! Like, subscribe. Like if you